Okay, you guys, so this is what the countertop look like. It's always good to learn how to do things yourself so you don't end up having to pay somebody to come out an arm and leg to do it. So first thing I'm going to do is remove everything from the countertop, and then I'm going to clean it real good, get all the paint and stuff off of there, and I am going to turn this into a faux granite top. Trust the process, y'all. I know it looks bad now, but it's going to be so nice when I get done. So basically, I gotta scrape up all this little extra paint off the panels and wipe it down real good. It comes up pretty easy though. So I'm gonna go with, I'm gonna put some primer down on the whole counter. I'm gonna put primer, white primer on there, and then I'll be back after it dries. So I'm using a brush. Um, Not really worried about the streaks, the brush lines, because this is just a primer. Um, it won't even be seen. I may go over it with the roller, but the roller, I kind of like the look that the brush does better than the roller. I'm gonna let this dry, and I'll be back.